One of the most popular pickup trucks on the market right now is still the Ford Ranger. This class of pickup trucks is built like cars and offers a good balance of utility and maneuverability. With competitors like the Chevrolet Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Toyota Tacoma, the 2021 Ranger had a starting price of $26,000. With only 29 complaints and 3 recalls on the car complaints database, the 2021 Ford Ranger is a dependable option as well. Let's examine the most prevalent problems and the reasons the truck was recalled by the automaker. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Fuel mixing problem. Many truck owners have complained that after the truck has been driven for a while, the fuel and engine oil start to mix. The resultant odor was extremely strong. This smell entered the cabin and made people feel queasy and headachy. A fix is being worked on after the manufacturer was informed of the problem. Overheating. A specific manufacturing batch of the 2021 Ranger's units included some that frequently overheated. It is also claimed that this overheating ignites a fire in the engine compartment. Smoke from the fires makes breathing in the cabin difficult. Excessive brake pedal travel. It is very challenging to stop the Ford Ranger because the brake pedal has an excessive amount of travel. The owners complain that the brake pedal is extremely mushy and lacks confidence. Alarm issues. False alarms have happened to many people in the 2021 Ranger. These alerts included everything from trailer unhooking to door ajar alarms. The system displayed a warning on the instrument cluster after making a mistake in detection. Additionally, driving became very disorganized and distracted as a result of this. Infotainment issues. People have complained that the Ranger's infotainment system lags and freezes. Because of this, the entire system became inoperable, and one had to restart the car to make it functional once more. This causes a great deal of trouble and distraction. Vehicle speed control issues. There have been reports of the truck accelerating on its own, without the driver's intervention. The truck's unintentional acceleration has led to collisions with nearby objects. Property damage has also been caused by this, even though it only occurs at very slow speeds. Forward collision avoidance issues. Premature FCA engagement in the Ranger has been a problem for some owners. The truck's automatic braking has started when this premature engagement occurs. Due to this, it decelerates quickly, resulting in rear-end collisions. Battery issues. Several 2021 Ranger owners have complained that their truck's battery discharges abnormally and eventually dies. The truck has become unusable due to this unexpected battery drain. After just a few days, the truck needs to be jump-started each time it is started. Recalls. Only 3 recalls have been issued for the 2021 Ford Ranger. Radar module out of alignment. When adaptive cruise control is engaged, a misaligned radar module may make it difficult for the car to keep a safe distance from other cars. The next recall is about seat belts. The risk of injury rises if a seatbelt is improperly routed and does not adequately restrain an occupant during a collision. And the last recall is related with child seat. It might not attach properly, which makes it dangerous in a collision. Should you buy the perfect pickup truck? The 2021 Ford Ranger does its job admirably. It is also among the products on the market that customers trust the most. The NHTSA-registered complaints do shed light on some important issues, such as false warnings and the travel of the brake pedal. These issues have been reported to the American automaker, and fixes are being developed. Simply carry out the required due diligence if you decide to buy a used Ranger.